Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about radicals. This math is intended to the grade 8 students. So I have here number 1, simplify the radicals and perform the indicated operations. I have here number 1, 4 square root of 18 plus 3 square root of 20 minus 6 square root of 200 plus 3 square root of 80. So this will be 4. Okay, find a perfect square of 18. So of course we have 9 times 2. How about the second? So perfect square of 20, that will be 4 times 5. So this will be plus square root of 4 times 5. Then how about 200? So of course we have 100 times 2. Then plus, this will be 3. How about 80? So 80 factors will be 16 and 5. So at least there should be perfect squares. So in here, 4 square root of 9 is 3. Then I have here square root of 2. Then plus 3 square root of 4 is 2. Then square root of 5. Then minus 6 square root of 100 is 10. Then square root of 2. Plus 3 square root of 16 is 4. And I have square root of 5. Okay, combine the same radicand. So, this will be 4 times 3 is 12, square root of 2, plus 3 times 2 is 6, square root of 5, minus 6 times 10 is 60, square root of 2, then 3 times 4 is 12, square root of 5. As what I said, combine the same radicands. So, for square root of 2, this one. So, you have 2 square root of 2, then it should be closer to 12. This will be 60 square root of 2. Then plus this one, 6 square root of 5. Then plus 12 square root of 5. Then combine this one. So what is 12 minus 60? So it should be 60 minus 12. Since 0 cannot be subtracted by 2, borrow from 6, and then it should be 5. Then put 1 beside 0. So this will be 10 minus 2 is 8. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, 48 square root of 2. But the sign must be negative because 60 is greater than 12 and then 60 is having negative sign. How about this one? Same sign. So 12 plus 6, this will be 18. Square root of 5. So this will be the answer for number 1. Now let's proceed to number 2. Number 2 is 4 square root of 20. Then minus 5 square root of 24 plus square root of 180 minus square root of 54. So the same procedure. So at least we can come up with the factors perfect square. So this will be 4 factors of 20 that has a perfect square. So it should be 4 times 5. Then minus, how about 24? This will be 5 square root of 4 times 6. How about 80? 80 is square root of 36 times 5. Then the last will be square root of 9 times 6. So 4 square root of 4 is 2. Then copy square root of 5. Then minus 5 square root of 4 is 2. Then square root of 6. How about the third radical? So square root of 36 is 6. And then I have to copy square root of 5. Then minus square root of 9 is 3. Then square root of 6. This will be 8 square root of 5 minus 10 square root of 6. Then plus 6 square root of 5 minus 3 square root of 6. Okay, combine the same radicands. This one and this one. So this will be 8 square root of 5 plus 6 square root of 5. Then copy minus 10 square root of 6 minus 3 square root of 6. So 8 plus 6 is 14. Then copy square root of 5 minus, take note, the same sign should be odd. 10 plus 3 is 13. Then square root of 6. So that's the answer for number 2, and that's all.